What if your body is being eaten alive by your own cells right now? And what if this is actually curing your diseases? Do you have belly fat that won't go away? Do you feel tired even after sleeping? Do you have constant bloating, high blood sugar, joint pain, skin problems that keep coming back? Here's the shocking truth. Your body already knows how to fix all of this, but nobody told you how to turn it on. Today on Holistic, I'm showing you the hidden healing power inside your body. The core problem, let me ask you something. When did you last go 3 hours without eating? Most people eat all day long. Breakfast in the morning, snack before lunch, then lunch. Another snack, then dinner, then something before bed. Your body never stops digesting food. But here's the problem. Your cells can only do one job at a time. If your body is busy digesting food, it cannot heal you. This is why you feel tired all the time. This is why your health problems never go away. You never give your body time to repair itself. What is autophagy? Scientists won a Nobel Prize for discovering something amazing. Your body has a system that eats damaged cells and turns them into healthy new cells. This is called autophagy. It means self-eating in Greek. Your body literally eats itself, but in a good way. When autophagy turns on, your body finds damaged proteins, old cell parts, viruses, and toxins. Then it breaks them down and recycles them into new healthy cells. Think of it like a recycling factory inside you. It turns garbage into treasure, disease into health. But this factory only works when you stop eating. The simple fasting method. So how do you turn on autophagy? It's very simple. Stop eating at 6:30 in the evening. Don't eat anything until 12:30 the next day. This is 18 hours without food. Will you starve? No. Will you lose muscle? No. These are lies from the food industry. Here's what really happens. When you stop eating, your insulin drops. When insulin drops, healing genes turn on. Your body starts cleaning itself. Scientists did an interesting study. 2 groups ate the same food and same calories. One group ate dinner at 6 in the evening. The other group ate at 10 at night. The early dinner group lost 10% more weight. Same food, same calories, different time. This proves that when you eat matters more than what you eat. If you feel hungry, drink 2 cups of water with 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. This stops hunger immediately. Fat burning and ketones. After 16 hours without food, something amazing happens. Your body runs out of sugar. So it starts burning your stored fat instead. When your body burns fat, it makes ketones. Ketones are super fuel for your brain. Your brain gets 25% more energy from ketones than from sugar. This is why people feel mentally sharp when fasting. Your thinking becomes clearer, memory improves, brain fog disappears. Ketones also reduce inflammation in your whole body. Less pain, better healing, slower aging. Want even better results? 2 days per week, eat less than 50 grams of carbs. Avoid bread, rice, potatoes, and sugar. This makes more ketones and activates special anti-aging genes. Feeling weak while fasting? Add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil to your coffee at lunch. This gives you instant energy without stopping autophagy. Exercise makes it stronger. Walking, lifting weights, or any exercise activates autophagy even more. When you exercise, your muscles use up stored energy. This turns on a sensor called AMPK, tells your body to start recycling damaged cells. This is how muscles get stronger. Your body eats the weak parts and rebuilds them stronger. Small stress also helps. Sitting in a sauna activates special proteins that repair damaged cells all over your body. Cold showers do the same thing. The cold shock makes every cell stronger and more resistant. If you sit at a desk all day, use a small treadmill under your desk. Keep moving. Your body needs movement to stay in healing mode. Sleep is critical. Sleep is when your deepest healing happens. During deep sleep, your brain has a cleaning system. It flushes out toxins, damaged proteins, and even microplastics from your brain. If you don't sleep well, this cleaning system cannot work. Toxins stay in your brain. This causes memory problems, brain fog, bad mood, and faster aging. You must get 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep every night, not optional. Sleep is when your body does its most powerful healing work. Coffee, tea, and spices. Good news. Your morning coffee helps autophagy. Organic coffee has compounds that lower inflammation and turn on repair in your cells. People who drink coffee live longer and have less disease, but only drink 1 cup per day. Too much caffeine causes stress. Green tea is even more powerful. It has a compound called EGCG that protects your brain and activates autophagy. Don't add milk or sugar. Black coffee and plain tea support healing without breaking your fast. Turmeric is a powerful spice. It turns on autophagy and stops inflammation in your whole body. Ginger heals your gut and reduces bloating. These spices are healing medicines hiding in your kitchen. Powerful foods. Certain foods turn on autophagy naturally. Blueberries protect your brain and memory. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts help your liver remove toxins. Mushrooms like shiitake actually boost autophagy even though they contain sugar. Olive oil extends your lifespan. Just put it on your salad every day. Omega-3 fats from fish, chia seeds, or flax seeds protect your brain from aging. Vitamin D3 and K2 move calcium into your bones and activate cell repair. Vitamin B3 boosts a molecule called NAD+ that fuels all healing in your body. Special compounds. Some traditional foods have extremely powerful compounds. Spermidine from wheat germ and fermented soybeans is one of the strongest autophagy activators ever found. People who eat these foods live much longer. Berberine activates brain autophagy and balances blood sugar. Fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut have probiotics that make your immune system stronger. What stops autophagy? 3 things completely shut down your healing. First, alcohol. Even 1 night of drinking stops autophagy for hours. Your liver must detox the alcohol instead of healing you. Second, constant snacking. Every time you eat something, even a small snack, insulin rises. When insulin rises, healing stops immediately. Third, bad sleep. Staying up late, using your phone at night, or not sleeping enough prevents autophagy from working. Avoid these 3 things and everything else will work perfectly. Your simple plan. Here's what to do starting today. 1. Fast for 16 to 18 hours daily. Finish dinner at 6:30 in the evening. Don't eat until 12:30 next day. 2. Exercise 3 times per week. Walk, lift weights, or do any movement. 3. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Make your room dark and cool. 4. Eat healing foods. Green tea, turmeric, olive oil, blueberries, broccoli, and mushrooms. 5. Avoid alcohol, snacking, and bad sleep. This is simple, not complicated. Just give your body what it needs to heal itself. The truth, the best doctor is not in a hospital. The best doctor is already inside you. Your body knows exactly how to heal when you give it the right conditions. Autophagy is your natural healing system. It's been working for millions of years. Fasting, movement, sleep, and good food turn it on. Every disease starts with damaged cells. Autophagy fixes this at the root by eating damaged cells and making new healthy ones. You now know how to activate this system. Will you do it? Will you make these simple changes? Important warning: microplastics from bottles and packaging are now inside your brain and liver. These tiny plastics cause inflammation and disease. Autophagy removes some of them, but there are better ways. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to remove microplastics from your body using simple natural methods. This is critical information everyone needs. Closing, thank you for watching Holistic. If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe. Share this with anyone who has health problems. Your body wants to heal you. Just give it space to work. Start with one change today. Try fasting, drink green tea, or sleep better. Small changes create big results. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.